everyone, welcome back to our channel. I really hope you're doing great, and I also hope that you got little bit of information about mandalas since the last part we have released last week. So let me recap what we have discussed there. We were talking about what are mandalas and also how are mandalas created through movements and also how are mandalas naturally created through nature. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch that video. And also in this video we are going to see how our mandalas are connected through spirituality and how our mandalas are used as calendar cycles or clock cycles in the ancient times. So before we get into the video, for any queries or commission artworks, make sure to WhatsApp us on 7416956 and to our mail ID vakenartstudios@gmail.com. You can visit our store which is called CSV's Vaken, where we sell home decors, which is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Swiggy Mini. You can find the store links available at the description box. These are few bestsellers. Let's see how are mandalas connected through spirituality.
Hildegard von Bingen. She comes from a Christian community around 11th century. She was also a writer, composer and a philosopher. But the artwork Humanity of Life was famous. One day, in her dream, she saw God or visioned her divine nature in the form of a wheel, which was nothing but a mandala. She also mentioned in her artwork that God was emanating into this world in 10 separate incarnations. Interesting thing is, in Hindu culture, total avatars of Lord Vishnu are also 10. He also emanated on this earth with 10 separate incarnations. So try to understand the beauty that all religions are connected with each other. Just remember that there are many mysteries in this world which are still untold. This artwork was found in her book called Book of Divine Works. In this book, they consist of her great visionary theology. Next are highly used examples of mandalas, which are rangolis. Rangolis are one of the traditional culture of India, where people draw these art forms to represent happiness, positivity and liveliness of a household. The sand mandala. I think most of the people have bit knowledge about the sand mandalas. These are art forms which are made by Tibetan Buddhist monks, where they invite deities into these mandalas for purification and healing. It takes around 3 to 4 days to complete one mandala or 10 days based on the type of mandala they want to create. Navajo dry paintings. These paintings are from southwestern United States. They make circular dry paintings for different occasions. They use food grains and flowers to design these mandalas. Domes also represent mandalas when you look at that from inside or from a top view. Let's see a few examples. Borobudur in Indonesia is 9th century Buddhist temple from Sailendra dynasty. Its aerial top view represents mandala. There are 9 stacked platforms with 6 squares and 3 circles with top central dome. In this temple, there are total 504 Buddha statues, and also central dome has 72 Buddha statues. Similarly, Blue Mosque in Istanbul and Florence Cathedral in Europe also represents this dome-based mandalas.
So in Sanskrit, mandalas are also called as a complete cycle through time. For example, let's see a zodiac cycle where it tells about total birth to death cycle, tells about that one. And for the calendar cycle, it tells what type of seasons which are going to come and all. In ancient times, they were used in this format. Mandalas were used in this format, and also like clocks. Let's see few of the examples of them.
Stonehenge, which is in UK and constructed around 2200 BCE. That was one of the largest and most complex mandala back then. It was used as a calendar. Aztec stone, it's also called as Aztec sunstone. It is in Mexico, constructed between 1502 to 1520. It is also used as a calendar. The conical hearts, these are another example of mandalas which are used in Christian community to tell the auspicious divine time to perform any new things. Horoscope, which can also be called as zodiac wheels, which tells about birth to death cycle. In Hindu community, they are used during marriages for selecting the wedding date, and also when a child is born in a family, that child's horoscope will be seen based on the date and the time of child's birth. It will be celebrated as a festival. Buddhist wheel of time. It is used in meditative halls to educate and inspire practitioners to practice more.
So that's all for now. So in the next video, we are going to see how our mandalas were used as self-development, and also we are going to start a series on mandalas, like how to draw mandalas, which will help you to overcome your stress and also will improve your decision making skills. So we are going to give you all the details about the series. So stay tuned to our channel. This is Bindu Vaishnavi. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more art related content, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Fill your hearts with art.